Have you ever experienced the bliss of a lavender latte? It's like wrapping yourself in a warm, comforting hug. Picture the rich aroma of freshly brewed espresso dancing with the calming scent of lavender. Start by brewing a shot of espresso or a robust coffee. While it brews, gently heat your choice of milk. Whether it's creamy dairy or a smooth plant-based alternative, let your taste guide you. Here comes the enchanting part. Stir in a teaspoon of culinary lavender and a splash of sweet vanilla syrup into the warming milk. As it heats, the lavender releases its fragrant oils, filling the kitchen with a heavenly aroma. Once the milk is steaming hot, froth it until it's luxuriously creamy and dreamy. Now pour that velvety lavender-infused milk over the rich espresso. Just look at that mesmerizing swirl of purple and brown. You've crafted a lavender latte that's not just a treat for the palate, but a feast for the eyes. The flavor is a harmonious blend of floral elegance and deep coffee richness. If this recipe has your taste buds tingling with excitement, give it a thumbs up. We'd love to see your lavender latte masterpieces in the comments below. Don't miss out on more delightful drink recipes. Here's to cozy sips. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffee lover.